Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katsia. For today's video, I had done a poll on my Instagram stories whether or not you wanted to see how I did my wreath, and the majority of you had said absolutely. So I decided to do a quick video to show you how I end up doing that wreath. I had mentioned to you that I am very much into the whole spring vibe. I know we're still in winter, but I am, thinking ahead over here. What I needed right now was a spring wreath to put on the outside door of my house, and I have every single wreath. I have Christmas, fall, I have also summer wreaths, I have every single wreath. So I needed a spring wreath. I thought I would do something a little bit different than what I normally do. I normally go towards more of the whole boho and the wabi-sabi look, just very ethnic looks. So I thought I would do something a little bit different and just use a lot of pastel and soft colors. I am so happy of how my wreath came out. It was very romantical, which I love. It's just not something that I would normally do, but I love it nonetheless. I think it's just different and it just fits perfectly with spring, Easter, and you can totally keep the wreath for the summertime as well. It works perfectly in the summertime. All of the things that I end up getting, I found at my local dollar store. So I will try to tally up everything, how much it costed, and I will put the total amount somewhere up on the screen. So we're gonna jump right into the whole DIY part. Enjoy. that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video of just my little spring wreath that I did. I hope you enjoy it. So anyway, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. Just know that I read each and every one of your comments. They're all so beautiful and just so loving, and I am just grateful. Even if I don't answer each and every one of them, I want you to know that I read them and I am so touched by each and every one of them. Have an amazing day, guys. I love you always. Mwah.